Hi guys, today we're talking about this sonic toothbrush. This is amazing. I really like all the cool features on this, the different settings you have. I love that there's a charging base. It just makes it look more, professional and put together. It does come with an additional brush head, which is super helpful. I love this particularly because it does have a sensor that will, tell you to change the area that you're at about every 30 seconds. So it does have that, scientific sensing ability to make sure that your habits are, aligned with what's actually good for your teeth. And this toothbrush is going to help you do just that. So using it is pretty self-explanatory. We're just going to press it once. We have 4 different modes. We have clean, white, sensitive, gum care. So if you want to go to different areas, the bristles are going to respond differently and according to different needs. And then just pressing it one more time is going to turn it off. So you will need, whether your port already has a USB, so you might not need that cube, or you may need to use the cube, or maybe you have like a different way of charging it in your bathroom that you can go ahead and set that up. So we're going to go ahead and get some toothpaste and show you how it works. Okay, so before we start brushing our teeth, I do want to mention that when you do fully charge the device, you can use it for 240 days, which is around 8 months, and that's pretty cool. And despite, or I should say, in addition to the 30-second sensor mode, there's also a smart 2-minute timer as well, so you can kind of utilize both of those. And also, I really love the texture of the handle here. And so now that we got all of those numbers out of the way, it's also waterproof too, I should mention, and it's advanced, so it has more of a more effective grade of waterproof than your typical toothbrush would. I'm gonna go ahead and brush that even more. We're gonna get started. All right, so far so good. There's different little settings. I think it's trying to tell me that I should move around. I'm on different ones. I'm gonna go ahead and start with that first one. And you can go ahead and do the gum setting too. So I'm gonna go to that part. You can kind of go around. And when you're all done, just go ahead and spit out. But I love this brush. It's very helpful. Different settings. The different sensors are really cool too. And it's just an overall great brush you can use for a long time. When you charge it for the full amount, you can use it for 8 months, which is pretty cool. Check it out for yourself if you're interested. You can get it on Amazon.